Hey, what's up guys, Techie here with another video. Today I'm going to show some tips and tricks in Instagram. But before that, how about subscribing and turning on the bell icon, so you can get notified when we upload a useful video like this. Help me to get over 200 likes. And now, let's get started. For this, go to the selected account. Then click on the three dots in the right side of the screen. Then touch on Hide Your Story. It will hide your story from the selected account. Select Restrict option to restrict them without unfollowing. For this, go to your selected account. In this case, I selected this account. As you can see, it is a private account. You can do this in public accounts as well. So touch on the three dots in the right hand side of the screen. Then copy the profile URL. Then open your browser and paste the URL. Then input 0 in front of the Instagram word and hit enter. Then it will load up a page like this. Touch on the profile picture. Then you can see that in the full quality. Other than viewing, you can download as well. For this, go to your story creating window. Then cover your camera with the hand and take a photo. Then touch here. After that, select a color and touch and hold in the screen. It will apply the color to the full screen. Then you can type something and share with your friends. Normally, Instagram delivers high-quality images, so it eats up a lot of data. To fix this, go to Settings. Then click on Account, then Mobile Data Settings. Turn on the data saver. You can select when to show higher resolution media. As an example, when you choose Wi-Fi only, it will show higher resolution media when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is a great way to save your mobile data. For this, create a story and type the text. Now, tap and select the text that you just added to your story. Once you do that, hold one finger on one of the colors until a gradient pops up. Now, hold the other end of the cursor at the same time, and move both your fingers towards the opposite end until your text gets filled with the gradient rainbow colors. Here's what it'll look like. For this, you have to go to this website called LinkedIn. I will drop the link in the description. Here, type in your bio. Then you can see it has converted it to a fancy font. Just copy that and paste it as your Instagram bio. That's it for today. Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch our highly compressed playlist. Like this video. Until next time, goodbye.